Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Newsfeed Career Plus. So, let us start our current affairs of December 8th, 2021. Coming to the first question, who among the following have visited Bangladesh to celebrate Maitri Divas? And the options are A. Rajnath Singh, B. Amit Shah, C. Narendra Modi, D. Jay Shankar. And the correct answer is C. Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi have visited Bangladesh to celebrate Maitri Divas. India and Bangladesh have decided to celebrate December 6th as Maitri Divas during the visit of PM Narendra Modi to Bangladesh in March 2021. It was decided to commemorate December 6th as Maitri Divas. Maitri Divas means Friendship Day. Before the liberation of Bangladesh, India had recognized Bangladesh on December 6, 1961. Coming to the second question, which of the following organization has announced an initiative, Shikshodaya? And the options are A. Byju's, B. Unacademy, C. Vedantu, D. Topper. And the correct answer is B. Unacademy. EdTech Unacademy has announced Shikshodaya, an initiative that aims at educating 5 lakh girl students across India. Girl students will acquire knowledge and skills which will help them to advocate for themselves and their communities accomplish their goals. An academy will be identifying children based on an aptitude test. Coming to the third question, who among the following becomes the first bowler to complete 50 wickets in tests in 2021? And the options are A. Akshar Patel, B. Shahid Afridi, C. Hasim Ali, D. Ravi Ashwin. And the correct answer is D. Ravi Ashwin. Ravi Ashwin becomes the first bowler to complete 50 wickets in tests in 2021. Most wickets in tests are Ashwin with 51, Shahid Afridi with 44, Hasin Ali with 39 and Akshar Patel with 34. Coming to the fourth question, who among the following has turned India's first district? Coming to the fourth question, which of the following has turned India's first district to establish the e-office facility? And the options are A. Wayanad, B. Mysore, C. Pune, D. Chittor. And the correct answer is A. Wayanad. Wayanad has turned India's first district to establish the e-office facility to transfer files electronically between villages, revenue, and collectorate offices. Coming to the fifth question, which of the following will have 9 nuclear reactors by 2024? The options are A. Russia, B. India, C. UAE, D. China. And the correct answer is B. India. India will have 9 nuclear reactors by 2024 and a new nuclear project. First in northern India will come up with 150 kilometers away from Delhi in Gorakhpur of Haryana. Coming to the sixth question, which of the following won 12th Men's FIH Hockey Junior World Cup 2021? And the options are A. Argentina, B. Germany, C. India, D. France. And the correct answer is A. Argentina. 12th edition of Men's FIH Hockey Junior World Cup. It is held at Kalinga Stadium, Bhubaneswar from November 24th to December 5th, 2021. Argentina beat Germany with 4-2 to win 12th Men's FIH Hockey World Cup. This is Argentina's second Men's FIH Hockey Junior World Cup title. First one is in 2005. India were the defending champions but lost to Germany in the semi-finals. India finished at 4th. France has finished at 3rd place. The tournament was started in 1979, which is organized by International Hockey Federation. Germany is the most successful team, having won the tournaments of 6 times. International Hockey Federation, which was founded in 1924 and headquartered in Lausanne, Switzerland. India's Dr. Narendra Dhruv Batra, Chairman of the International Hockey Federation. Coming to the one-liners today, Alka Upadhyaya appointed as National Highway Authority of India Chief. Pradeep Shah appointed as a Chairman of National Asset Reconstruction Company. International Volunteer Day celebrated on December 5th. Canara Capital appoints cricketer Ravindra Jadeja as a brand ambassador. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay home, stay safe.